Hello, my name is Hannah Anderson, and I will be presenting Agriculture Predictive Models and the Era of Global Warming. Climate change's relationship to agriculture ultimately relates to food security. If climate change's harmful effects permanently affect agriculture, food insecurity in the US will worsen at a faster rate. For data collection, the states with the largest agricultural sectors were selected: California, Iowa, and Nebraska. For each state, temperature, precipitation, and crop production data was collected. Tableau was then used to put the data collected into different visualizations. This first graph represents the following: precipitation data in Fresno, California in the years 2012, 2015, 2017, and 2019. The bubble chart exhibits how the precipitation fluctuates from month to month. From the illustration, we can tell that the majority of the precipitation occurs in both winter and spring months. Using this information, we can assume that if a crop needs larger amounts of rainfall, it should be planted in the winter or spring months. Graph B represents the following: the average temperature data in Sioux City, Iowa. The month of February has the most extreme variations in temperatures. October experiences a slight trend upward until 2019, where it drops back close to 2012 temperatures. We can predict that temperatures for quarter 2 and 3 will remain relatively the same. Farmers may experience a high contrast in temperature between October and November. Graph C represents the following: the crop profit average data in Omaha, Nebraska. The bar chart illustrates the Lincoln average crops profit created from the U.S. Department of Agriculture National Agricultural Statistics Service from 2017 and 2019. Overall, it can be seen that increased as a crop's profit, but crops remained at a higher rate throughout this time. The percentage of crop profit sales from 2012 increased quite sharply to 10 in 2017, and then nearly 45 also in 2017, while the crop's quantity stayed almost the same, rising to only 8%. Overall, we can see that the effects of climate change have benefited some of the cities. The changes in the environment have increased the profit of crops, which is beneficial for the farmers. If farmers pay close attention to the climate trends, it could be beneficial to plant certain crops during specific times during the year. This could potentially help the everlasting issue of food insecurity. Thank you.